Have you ever noticed how difficult it can be to switch off after a long day? Even when your body feels exhausted, your mind can still be racing. Stress builds up throughout the day, and instead of drifting into deep, restful sleep, you end up lying in bed feeling tense and restless. Another way to describe this feeling is simply feeling tired but wired. Today I'd like to share my evening wind-down routine. A couple of simple habits will help you calm your nervous system down and put you in a better state for a better night's sleep. If you've been watching my videos for a while now, you know that I'm a big fan of calming the nervous system down and finding multiple ways of how we can go about doing this. In today's video, we're going to be tackling this subject head on from a different perspective. We're going to be looking at how you can do a nice and composed rhythm for your nighttime routine so that you can calm down and set yourself up for a better night's sleep. For those of you that are new here, my name is Samsoom, and in this channel we cover the latest health and wellness tips to help take your health and well-being to the next level. If that sounds good to you and you'd like to stay in tune with the latest health and wellness tips, then please consider subscribing so that you don't skip a beat with Samsoom Wellness. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Just as the sunrise gently wakes us up in the morning, our bodies are also attuned to a gradual transition into the evening before we sleep. This is all in alignment with our circadian rhythm, our system's natural body clock. To start off when the day has come to an end and I'm on my way back home from work, I have a very comforting habit that might sound a little unusual. It's humming. The vibration naturally slows me down. It also encourages slower breathing, which I personally find very calming. There's something surprisingly relaxing about it, as it helps stimulate the vagus nerve, a crucial part of the nervous system which is responsible for the rest and digest state. The next thing I do after I get home is hit the shower. It's important to spend a good amount of time showering and scrubbing the body very well, as it stimulates the lymphatic system, which rids our body of bacteria, viruses, and toxins. And of course, if you're in the mood, you can spend a bit of extra time humming while you do this, all for the better. After I get out of the shower, I do a gentle Qi Gong session, just around 10 to 15 minutes a day, but if you're feeling good, you can do more. This is very important as the slow movements helps our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Regular Qi Gong practice is like meditation in motion, training your mind to stay present and focused. Next, I prepare a light dinner. This is normally a vegetarian or pescatarian meal, as it has an easier and lighter effect on the body. Think of a salad with some proteins or a tofu curry, for example. Anything that nourishes your body with the nutrients you need after a long day without putting you into a food coma. Target having dinner about 3 hours before bedtime to make sure that all the initial stages of digestion are completed before hitting the sack. Then I spend some time exposing myself to nature. If you're not out for a gentle stroll and you are just relaxing on your balcony, you can enjoy a sugar-free soda or a herbal tea if it's in the winter. I also like rubbing some lavender essential oil in a carrier oil on my wrists and observing the smell from time to time. If you're spending time indoors, why not try infusing essential oil in a diffuser to disperse the relaxing aroma in the house? Lavender essential oil is one of the most popular and versatile essential oils used in aromatherapy, as it is renowned for its calming and relaxing qualities. Just perfect for calming the nervous system down. If you have some spare time, you can start journaling or practicing gratitude. This helps declutter the mind and brings a mild focus to our spiritual dimension, a very important part of our daily existence. I'll spend the latter parts of the day reading or watching some inspirational videos on YouTube, anything calming or comforting for the heart. And finally, to top it all off, I'll spend 5 minutes doing some box breathing, my favorite breathing routine just before I go to sleep. I find this exercise both relaxing and grounding at the same time, putting me in the perfect place to get ready for some restful and restorative sleep, all that we need after a long day. And there you have it, my evening routine. Nothing overly complicated, nothing perfect, just a simple set of actions you can do throughout the end of the evening so you can feel more grounded and composed at the end of the night. If you enjoyed this evening routine, then why not check out my morning routine video right over here. My name is Samsoom. Thank you so much for watching.